Panicking about forgetting to cancel that YouTube TV free trial before you get charged? Don't sweat it. I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel it in a few easy steps. First, head to the YouTube TV website on your computer or open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Then, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the upper right corner on a computer, and on mobile devices, it's often in the top or bottom right. Click or tap it. In the drop-down menu, find the Settings option and click or tap it. This will take you to the Settings menu. Next, look for the Membership tab. It might be located on the left-hand side of the screen on a computer, or you might need to scroll down on a mobile device. Click or tap on Membership. On the Membership page, you'll see information about your YouTube TV plan. You should also see a Cancel button. The button is located on the bottom of the list. Click or tap on the Cancel button. YouTube TV will then ask you to confirm your cancellation and may ask for a reason. Choose a reason or skip it. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message that your membership has been paused or canceled. You'll usually still have access to YouTube TV until the end of your free trial period. That's it. You've successfully canceled your YouTube TV free trial.